In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract information from complicated images with Google Gemini. If you've ever stared at a busy chart, a messy receipt, or a dense infographic and wished someone could quickly pull out the key details for you, this walkthrough is for you. We'll keep things simple and clear, so you can follow along and get reliable results. First, open your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in and ready to go so your work is saved and you can access all features without interruptions. A stable internet connection helps, especially when you're working with larger images. That's all you need to get started. Next, look for the Tools area and select Create Image. Even though the name suggests image creation, this workspace also lets you work directly with visuals you provide. You'll see options that make it easy to bring an image into Gemini and pair it with a prompt. Stay in this space for the rest of the process. Now click the plus icon to upload the image you want Gemini to analyze. Choose a clear, readable file. Think high resolution, good lighting, and minimal glare. Avoid including anything sensitive or private. If needed, crop the image beforehand to focus only on the part you care about. Supported common formats like JPG and PNG work well. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a preview so you can confirm it looks right. Next, enter your prompt. You can keep it straightforward with a request like, extract the information given in the picture. To get even better results, be specific about what you need. For example, mention the elements you care about: headings, totals, names of items, dates, or labels, and how you want the output organized, such as a concise summary, a list, or plain sentences. If the image contains multiple sections, tell Gemini to read top to bottom or left to right. Clear instructions help Gemini focus and reduce confusion from cluttered layouts or overlapping text. Then wait patiently while Gemini processes your request. The system will read your image, interpret the content, and generate a response based on your prompt. This may take a moment, especially with detailed visuals, so give it time to work. Avoid switching away or uploading new files until the result appears. When it finishes, you'll see the extracted information ready for you to review. And that's it. By opening your Gemini account, using Tools and Create Image, uploading your file, writing a clear prompt, and waiting for the result, you can quickly pull structured insights from even the most complicated images.